Have you ever found yourself frustrated with split ends, unmanageable tangles, or hair that just won't grow? If so, then you may be in need of a hair trim. Hair trimming is a simple yet essential technique that can help you maintain the health and appearance of your hair. So whether you're aiming to get rid of damaged ends, promote hair growth, how to do them properly can make a significant difference in the overall health and look of your locks. So in today's video, we'll be exploring the benefits of hair trimming and different methods to trim your hair and some tips to ensure you achieve the best result. Hair trimming is a common practice for maintaining healthy hair and well-groomed hair. So it involves cutting off the split ends or damaged portion of the hair to promote hair growth and improve its overall appearance. So hair trimming can be typically performed by a professional hairstylist in a salon or can be done at home with the help of a hair cutting tools, just like cutting shears. But the most important thing is to make sure that the hair shears you're using is specifically for your hair, for trimming your hair, so that you don't have a blunt hair shears that will further cause damage to your hair. So the primary purpose of hair trimming is to remove the split ends which occur when the hair shaft split into two or more strands due to various factors like heat styling, chemical treatment, or excessive brushing. Split ends not only make the hair appear frizzy and dull, but they also lead to breakage if left unattended to. Trimming the hair regularly helps to prevent split ends from traveling up the hair shaft, keeping the hair healthier, preventing breakage. So another benefit of hair trimming, it helps to maintain the hair's shape and style. Over time, hair tends to lose its original shape due to growth. Regular trims can help to maintain the desired length and shape of the hair, ensuring that it looks neat and well maintained. Hair trimming can also promote hair growth by removing the damaged ends, and the hair becomes healthier and can grow more effectively. Trimming also helps to remove any tangles or knots in the hair, making it easy to manage and preventing further damage. I usually don't trim my hair that often, but since I discovered the act of trimming and dusting the ends of my hair has been more healthier than usual. So when it comes to trimming, it's very important to consider the frequency and the technique. The ideal frequency for hair trimming varies depending on the individual and the hair type. That is, how often you trim your hair depends on you, depends on your hair type, depends on your texture, depending on your styling routine to maintain healthy hair and prevent split ends. So for those who prefer to trim their hair at home, it is essential to use proper cutting shears, like I said, such as sharp scissors, specifically designed for hair cutting. So it is crucial to have a clear understanding of the desired length and style of the trimming that you want to do. Start small, trim gradually, and work your way up to the ends of hair. You don't have to go all out once. So what I do is that I dust the ends of my hair maybe every month. Or if I just feel like there are some straggly ends, I just cut them off. So I can't even say I cut up to ½ inch or even quarter of an inch, because it's a very tiny cutting that I do over a long period of time. Hair trimming is an essential practice to maintain healthy hair and well-groomed hair. So make sure you're doing that if you're not doing that, because it helps to keep those damaged ends at bay. It helps you to manage any form of split ends, any form of knots, and all those things that will make your hair to appear dull and unhealthy. So overall, the appearance of hair is important. Now, if you want a professional to do it for you, fine, but it's very crucial to achieving desired results. So that is all for today's video. I hope you do enjoy this video. I'm done dusting the ends of my hair. So this is not considered as cutting my hair, because I just did that a few weeks ago. This is just dusting. I hope you guys learned something from this video. I hope that you benefited from it. Please, if you did, kindly drop a comment below. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.